the Tik Tok dance to the song remix Greedy and Treasure. It's actually very easy to learn and it's also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. So at first there are going to be a lot of beats. So we can do like this, or however we want. You can do like this, or you can just stand in one place. But at the very end, we have to pretend there's a drum here, and we're gonna go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. You can start with your left hand, right one, however you want. 1, 2, and then we're gonna stand in this position. I call it a T position just because it looks like the letter T, but you can call it however you want. So our legs are together, hands to the sides. So 1. So our legs at the very beginning, they're apart, or however we want, but then we go 1, 2, T. Let's just call it like that. And then we go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So to do this, what we have to do is, first let me show you what you do with your hands. Our left hand is in front of us, it's straight, our hand's in a fist, and then left one, right one, the same thing, but it goes up, down. So it's like a half circle, so we go down, up, like that. So up, down, like that. And for our legs, we are going to do a step forward with our right leg. Our knee is looking to the right, and when we go up, we are going to twist our leg so that our knee looks to the left, and also our leg is straight at this moment. And then when we are doing the circle, our knee looks to the right, and then when we go down, we do the same thing as before. So it's going to look like this. First of all, slowly, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And fast, it's going to look like this. 1, 2. So just practice it a couple times, then you will get it. And now let's do it from the very beginning. 1, 2, T, 1, 2. So after this, we are going like this 2 times. So that's going to be fast. We have to go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So we're just going to do this with our hands, with our wrists. So we go 1, 2. So after this, we are going to go cross our arms like this, uncross them, and then we pretend we have a guitar here. So we are going 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Pretend we're strumming a guitar or ukulele or whatever you want, but just do like this. 1, 2. So we go to the left, to the right. Once again, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Just practice it a couple times and you'll get it. So let's start from the very beginning. Drum, drum, T, up, down, 1, 2, cross, uncross, guitar, guitar. So it's going to be fast. This dance is pretty fast, but once you remember all the movements, it's going to be easy for you. So strum, strum, and our hands go up, just up like this. Pretend we want to touch the ceiling, so do whatever you can to touch it. And then we're going to do the same thing as before with our wrists, but with our legs, we're going to do the same thing as we did when we were strumming the guitar. So it's going to look like this together. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Like that. So let's start from the very beginning. Drum, drum, T, up, down, 1, 2, cross and cross, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2. So after this, we're going to do a side punch and then dive. So to do this, I'm just going to show you, we have to do a circle with our leg like that. So circle and then dive. So let's start without the dive first. So our left hand is bent in front of us, our hand's in a fist. And then we're going to do a giant circle with our right hand like that. And then our right leg is going with our hand. So it goes forward like our hand, like that. So like this. And then we're going to do a step like this on our right leg. So all our weight was on our left leg. So we're just going to do a slight jump. It doesn't have to be a giant jump like this. No, it's just a little jump like that. and then our hands are together. Only our fingers are touching like this, and we're gonna dive. Well, pretend we are diving like that. So we don't have much time to do it very, you know, a giant dive. We don't have time to do that. So we're gonna go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Like that. So it's just a small dive. It doesn't have to be like a giant one, because first it's not gonna look very nice, and 2, we don't have time to do that. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, T, up, down, 1, 2, cross, and cross, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive. So after the dive, we're gonna go swing, swing. So to do this, we just have to go to the right, to the left. Our hands are in fist, and they're bent. They're going from the left to the right, and then we're doing the opposite, like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Like that, it's very easy. So after this, we're going 1, 2. So to do this, we have to go with our elbows back. We have to try to join our elbows. It's very hard to do it, but just try like this, so like that. And after this, we are going to do a giant circle with our arms like that. So they just go 1, back, like that. And when we go back, we're gonna step on our left leg, like that. So we go on all our weight goes to our left leg, right one, left one, like that. So left, right, left. Once again, left, right, left, like that. So let's start from the very beginning. Jump, jump, T, up, down. Then remember, 1, 2, cross and cross, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive, swing, swing, left, right, left. So once again, and we will go on. Are you ready? Jump, jump, T, up, down, 1, 2, cross and cross, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive, swing, swing, left, right, left. So after we do this, we're gonna do this, up, down. So to do this, I'm gonna stand closer to you just so you see it better. So we are going up with our hands like that. Then we're gonna do a circle with our wrists, go back, then circle with our wrists, and down. So we are going up, and then we're just going down the same way we went up, like that. So once again, slowly, up and down. And now faster, up, down. So it has to be that speed. So just practice it and practice it and practice it, and eventually you'll get it. So let's go on. After this, we go up, down, and then we're going 1, 2. So they're just gonna be 2 beats. One is very close to the other, so it has to be fast. 1, 2, like that. We're just bending our legs and then bending them again on each beat. So there are 2 beats, remember. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Let's start from the very beginning. Drum, drum, T, twist, twist, 1, 2, cross and cross, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive, swing, swing, left, right, left, up, down, 1, 2. So after we go 1, 2, what we're gonna do is this movement. So to do that, we have to, with our right hand, make a circle around our head. Left hand does a giant circle around us, like that. So like this. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. All together, it's gonna be like this. 1, 2. Yeah, like that. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2. Then we are going 1, 2, 3, like that. So first our right hand goes forward, left one bend, then change and change. Once again, 1, switch, switch. Once again, 1, switch, switch. Okay, and after this, we're gonna roll our hands. We're gonna roll them towards us, like that. And then we're gonna swing again. This is the very last movement. So swing to the right, and then to the left. To the left, there's almost like no time. So just do it, but maybe it doesn't fit in the TikTok, but just swing, swing. Drum, drum, T. 1, 2, 1, 2, cross, across, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive, swing, swing, left, right, left, up, down, 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, 3, roll, swing, swing. So now once a little bit faster and we're done. So let's go. Drum, drum, T, up, down, 1, 2, cross, across, guitar, guitar, up, 1, 2, side punch, dive, swing, swing, left, right, left, up, down, 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, 3, roll, swing, swing. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!